Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back, y'all, after a long while, but yeah, I'm so sorry. I had a lot of things going on. I had my
want me to take my time with you. Maybe I'm not your speed. Maybe I'm not your lead. You ain't even got no cheese. Maybe I'm just too G for you. Maybe I'm just too street. I can even roll in peace. Everybody notice me.
Oh,
I can even go to
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
So going in with a random pencil I picked up from the beauty supply, as always. I'm just going to fill in my brows and trying to get the right shape. To clean up my brows today, I'll be using NARS and LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm not so sure what shade those two are in, but I'm gonna verify and link you down in the description box.
Make you Balancé, 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 make you Balancé, Balancé. But all I want to tell you say.
So because I'm using bright colors today, I'm gonna be using the NYX eyeshadow primer. It's lighter and it's gonna help the colors pop up more. I'm just blending with my fingers, and I am not gonna set this just because I want it to take as much pigment as possible. Currently got a new palette from NYX as well. I don't know what color this is, like the name or whatever, but I'll link all of that down below in the description box. Using a fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics, I'm going to blend out the harsh line right up to my eyebrow bone.
I see my blessing. Follow day and night is not for nothing. Listen, just please say mon voisin. Jamais, jamais.
Using my first bright color I picked up from Sephora. These are from Makeup Forever. They're the single shadows. I'm just popping that on there, and as usual I'm gonna blend it out later on.
But all I want to tell you say, make you Balancé, 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 make you Balancé, Balancé, yeah. I said Papa God is great, he make me Balancé.
Adding on the last and final color from Makeup Forever. It's a bright looking orange, I think. It's almost a neon. I'm not so sure. I'm just gonna pack that on there and blend it out.
Ne parle ton, je ne parle pas des parvenus qui parlent mal de moi. Je parle une de mots là, donc je ne parle que des parlons. Peut l'appel le rare et magnifique, donc je la veux. Je parle la vie, je laisse un pied de vie de trône. Je suis redevenu l'élu de Dieu, il fait mes combats mieux que moi. Chaque jour on perd le temps, vu le temps qui nous perd. On attend le retard du RIP, on est dans ouragan qui attend. Pas se sent comme life is replay.
Straight onto my eyeliner, which I'm going to be using the L'Oreal eyeliner pencil.
Balancé, 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 make you Balancé, Balancé. But all I want to tell you say, make you Balancé, 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 make you Balancé, Balancé, yeah.
Using the NYX Pore Filler, I'm going to put that all over my face to give my face a smooth base for my foundation.
Hey, remember me back in the days when I tell you say one day the money go gather. Put poverty behind the scene and no one say you feel when I'm making the cheddar. They will do some more cause I be unstoppable. Carry the message everywhere, be telling the people say my caga party don't enter. You chop and you drink as you wanna go pray and make you Balancé, 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 Balancé.
After color correcting a few dark spots with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in orange, I am just patting that in with my fingers because my fingers are warm and it's more absorbent. And I'll go right on straight to my foundation. I'm going to be using the kitahdji And this concealer stick from Clinique, y'all, that stick is the truth.
Shadow, Chris, Beats.
Use the tail of my brush, guys. I used it to mix both foundations or concealer and foundation together. That's why it looks dirty. Using the same concealers I used for my brows, I'm going to use those to highlight.
Pourtant elle a tout laissé pour toi. Et c'est le temps qui passe, mon ami. Si tu l'aimes plus, laisse-la partir. C'est le temps qui passe, mon ami. S'il te plaît, arrête de la faire souffrir. Pleure seulement. Yeah, 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 yeah. Elle pleure seulement. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Setting my highlighted areas with my Sachet Buttercup. Contouring just a little bit with my powder foundation from Sephora.
Il aurait fallu que tu sois sincère, tu l'as aidé. C'est le flou dans sa tête, se demande ce qui ne va pas depuis un certain temps. Faudrait que tu lui reviennes réellement. Accorde-lui du temps, c'est pas une perte de temps. Elle a mal.
Also using the Sephora loose powder to set my entire face and clean up the excess powder.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Elle pleure seulement. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Using this gorgeous big ombre blush from NYX as well. I'm gonna put that on my cheeks. Oh my god, using my favorite highlighter from Maybelline, that's the Master Chrome. I'm gonna apply that at the higher points of my face, my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, you know.
Elle pleure seulement.
The bottom there, I'm just going in with the same colors I used at the top. Outlining my lash line, sorry, my waterline, with the white crayon from NYX. To make sure my bottom lashes are popping as well, I am gonna apply a few coats of mascara at the bottom. My lips, first I'm outlining my lips with the brown jumbo pencil and going in with my favorite lip gloss from Greene.
Qui t'a dit qu'elle aime ça? J'ai là tu veux souffrir là-bas. Je sais pas tu as quoi même. C'est dans quel cas même. Tous les jours tu lui fais couler des larmes. Je là tu fais les récemment. Je là tu fais les petits seulement. Pourtant elle a tout laissé pour toi. Et c'est le temps qui passe mon ami. Si tu l'aimes plus laisse-la partir. C'est le temps qui passe mon ami. S'il te plaît arrête de la faire souffrir. Elle pleure seulement. Yeah, 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 yeah.
pleure seulement. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Almost at the end, finally. Oh my god. Okay. At this point, I'm just getting my wig cap on, popping on my wig.
C'est le flou dans sa tête, se demande ce qui ne va pas depuis un certain temps. Faudrait que tu lui reviennes réellement. Accorde-lui du temps, c'est pas une perte de temps. Elle a mal, se dit qu'il faut pas qu'elle craque. Le pire est qu'elle sait qu'elle se ment. Dit-on l'amour est aveugle. Oh, absolument. Yeah, 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 yeah. Elle pleure seulement. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sa maman avait prévu ça. Quand elle souffrait, elle poussait pour son moulin. Qu'elle doit pleurer tout le temps. Qu'elle doit cry tout le temps. Qui t'a dit que sa maman avait prévu ça. Quand elle souffrait, elle poussait pour son moulin.
Using the MAC Fix Plus in Matte, I'm just gonna set my entire face. Okay, so guys, there you have it, a look you can actually rock all summer long, because here in Canada it's scorching hot. I don't know why, but I cannot deal with this heat. Anyways, thank you guys so much for sticking through, and ooh honey, look at that highlight. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care, stay fabulous, and don't forget to love yourself. And I'ma see you in my next tutorial, honey. Stay fabulous.